So now we are going to see the execution of a custom tag. How we are going to create a custom tag. So for that one, in NetBeans, select new project. Okay. In new project, we need to select Java Web and Web Application. Click next. It is similar to that same JSP file only, but only the difference is the way how we are going to place the files. Okay. So demo custom tags. I'm giving some name to this one. Okay, click on next. We need to choose some server and choosing Apache Tomcat server. Now, so first we need to come with tag handler class. Okay, so how we are how where we need to do the tag handler class, that should be placed inside the source pages. In source pages we need to create one package. Okay, what is the name of that package we are going to create? So just we create some any name for that package. Simply say test. I'm creating one package called as test. Okay, then inside this test package we need to create one Java file. Okay, Java class file. Okay, select Java class. So what is the name of the tag class file? Okay, I'm giving my tag handler. Okay, some name for that one. Click on finish. Okay, now I'm going to copy the code for that one. I'm going to explain what is that one. Okay, so what is the program we are doing here is, see, if you observe, we are importing the required um, packages what we are needed. Then we are creating the class, and it is extends the tag support class. Okay, now in this tag support class we are invoking the do start tag method. So this method is automatically invoked by the particular JSP container based on our explains, and also is going to throw some exceptions if there are any exceptions. Okay, so now we are creating one out object for printing out the content to the um, web page. Okay, get out page context. So we are creating one object. So what we are going to do is out dot print. What we are printing, we are printing today date and time using this JSP writer. Okay, by using this JSP writer, what we are doing, this is the business logic. Okay, so what is we are going to do by using this custom tag, where suppose if you need this date and time at different places. Okay, in our JSP program, in each and every JSP program we need this um, date and time. Then we are going to do this one by using this custom tags. Okay, so we are creating the tag handler class. So what is this tag handler class is going to be do? This tag handler class is going to create print date and time. Okay, so this created date and time is going to be print on that particular JSP file by using out.print. So how this out.print is going to be happen? Here we are creating one writer. Okay, JSP writer object. Okay, we are creating one JSP writer object. Okay, so this one is not required. Okay, this package is also not required at present. Now what we need? So one second. Okay, okay, okay. One second, one second. Okay, now we have done this one. Now what we need to do, we need to create one tag handler. See, a tag handler library. So I already told that we need to create the tag handler class of directory in web inf. Okay, in web inf we need to select new library descriptor. See, I already used me, that's why it is showing. Otherwise, click on others. On in others, you will select web. Okay, web file type. What we need to select file type, tab library descriptor. Okay, click on next. So it will automatically create the TLDs folder. Okay, TLDs folder is going to be automatically created. Okay, so URI is this one. This one prefix is going to be new. So some custom. We are going to create custom. Okay, click on finish. Okay, here if you observe the short name taglib version is 1.0, short name is custom slash short name, URI is web inf slash tld dot slash custom. Okay, this is the URL. Next, what we need to create, we need to create the tag. Okay, we need to create the tag. We need to give some name to the tag. Tag is tag name is date. Okay, so taglib class, I think so. Tag class. Okay, so what is the tag class? We need to specify what is the package test. Okay, what is the class name? Class name is my handle. So test dot my handler. Here class name is insert test package. I have my tag handler. Okay, this is the tag class. Okay, then body content. So what is the body content we are going to use? So body content we are nothing we are going to use. Okay, so we don't need this body content. Okay, and also in our this example we are not using any attributes. Okay, we are not using any attributes. Okay, now we have created TLD file tag handler class. What we need to do, we need to create an JSP file. So what is the name, what we need to create one JSP file. What is that name of that JSP file? Index. Okay, I am creating some name called as index. Okay, so I'm removing this one that is not required in our case. Okay, why? Because upon clicking now we need to import that one. Okay, how we are going to import that one? Taglib URL is equal to, what is the URL where that what taglib file is available? Web inf slash tlts folder slash, what is the name of that one? custom. Okay, then prefix names we are going to use custom. Okay, URI, URI. Sorry, web na. Yes, that is easy. See, now this error is gone. Web INF into LDS custom tag. Now we need to invoke that tag. Okay, how we are going to invoke the tag? What is the name tag? CUST custom. Automatically it will come. Okay, so here I'm invoking the custom tag. Okay, so what is the prefix? Custom colon. What is the name of that tag? Date. If you see, what is the name of the tag? Tag name we are given date. Okay, now so I'm going to show you this without this one. First, I'm going to run this code. Okay, then I would like to show what will be happen if we use that one. So the first time it will take some time. So it is giving some hello world page. Okay, now I'm going to add this custom tag. Okay, so what is the output it is going to give? One second. One second. See, it is giving some error. Tag handler class. Why? It is giving some error. One second. Tag class is correct. One second, one second. It is giving some error. Second, I will show you that output, how is output is going to be give. See, this is the output I would like to get. See, it is giving already I worked out. See, Try to find is there any wrong in. Okay, 1 second. URI URL. Wait 1 second. Here in taglib URI only I have given. When prefix. In our example, URI only I have given. Now wait, we'll see. One second. I will try to change to that tag name as that. Some prefix name is m. Okay, no, it is not giving an error. 1 second. Why it is showing unable to? Okay, okay. I understand the error. See here, if you observe, what is the class name I am giving? Capital letter Y. It is not this one. My tag handler. See, what is the class name? M capital letter, Y small letter. In previously, I'm using Y also capital letter. That's the reason it is giving error. Now it is will give a correct. See, see, a small mistake will also will be a problem. So we need to try to identify that error also. Okay. So here we are getting the Monday, May 31st, and the time and year. So we are getting this information by using a tag. What is the tag we are using? M colon date. So how we are going to use this M colon date? It is the prefix, using that prefix, and that particular tag is going to be defined in this URL. Okay, in this tag. So in this customized tag, we are going to use tag. Okay, so what is the name of the tag and what is the class it is going to be used. Okay, and if there are any attributes, then that attributes is going to be stored here. So attribute example, I'm going to send a video demo. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me that one. Okay, so this is that about